Ever sneezed your way to fame? In a Florence workshop, a tourist's brush transforms into an unexpected maestro of chaos. See, as he painted a Michelangelo masterpiece, every achoo launched paint like a Vesuvius in action. Suddenly, splat, a canvas rebellion, like a Van Gogh gone wild. Locals dubbed it the Sneeze of Dismay, a splash craze that tickles art historians' funny bones. Amazingly, this accidental abstract sparked viral admiration worldwide. Bet he never planned that? So grab your tissues. Next gallery might feature your own masterpiece. Nope, I'm not kidding.